So here's what you got in a nutshell. I have this thing on the timer, and see if I can get back here so I can stop moving around. Pretty much here is the docking bay, and when I go to leave and it's on its timer, it goes off, it backs up, it does its little beep beep beep, and it starts going about its way. It has a pretty sporadic pattern. Doesn't really have any set course, but it kind of maps out the room as it goes. The little blue light is when it reaches a heavy dirt area, and it tends to give more attention to that spot than it would any other spot. But for the most part, you know, it just kind of runs around and does its own thing until it's done with the room. It comes with these little virtual walls that you put up. And what this does in certain areas is this gimmick right here shoots a beam out of here directly across, and you can change the setting from 2 feet, 3 feet, 5 feet, 8 feet to pretty much cover doorways to prevent it going in other rooms. So I just kind of have it on a 3-foot setting there. That way it can't get out of the room. I got some crap over here, and you know, you see it just kind of, once it gets within a certain area of that, it goes about its way. Also, I got the model before they started making the tangle-free, so it'll still grab up cords and such and drag it around until it either breaks itself free or chews up whatever's in it. And you'll say, you know, it kind of helps you keep the place clutter-free and all that, but, you know, concept is definitely there. I empty it out, you know, once every 3 times it goes around, and once it's done, most of the time, if it keeps up on its schedule, can't even tell that there's a dog here. And, you know, it does a pretty good job. Best $200 I ever wasted. Giddy up. Tell your friends.